Welcome back to Girl Talks Geek. I'm Nikki, and today I'm inviting you to be my guest. Be my guest. Put my service to the test. This Belle-inspired look is perfect for your next visit to Disneyland. It's also just super cute for a date night or a baby shower. Pretty much whatever fun weekend plans you have, you can add a little Beauty and the Beast magic to them with this ensemble. Before we hop into the tutorial, I wanted to chat through some of my choices for this look. First, I knew yellow was the way to go when it came to the dress, but I also knew that there was no way a formal dress was going to be very practical for you. So I just picked a style that could be worn for any semi-dressy occasion. Also, red roses, a must definitely when it comes to Belle. So I opted for this real looking hair clip just to add that iconic touch. I'm also going to link a few cute rose purses below if you want to add that to your look instead. Okay, with that, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, so I'm starting off with my go-to Honest Primer and moving on to NYX concealers, both in green and skin tone, to really clean up all my blemishes and get that perfect Belle skin. So just work it all in, and then I'm grabbing some illuminator and my foundation, which I'm mixing together to get that natural Belle glow and a really flawless finish. And I'm going to set everything with my NYX HD finishing powder. One of my favorites, it sets everything for a really long time. Then you'll want to prime your eyes with Urban Decay's Primer Potion. I'm not doing a dramatic eye because it's Belle, but I do want it to last. So I'm going to let that dry for a sec while I contour with my NYX contour palette. I'm only using a shade slightly darker than mine to add a really natural contour, but to give my face depth. And then I love this new NYX Bright Idea. It's an illuminating stick blush, so it has a lot of shine or shimmer to it, really natural on the cheeks, perfect for our girl Belle. And I've got this little hack. I'm using an Urban Decay eyeshadow in Easy Baked as a highlighter, and hopping right into the eyes, I'm going in on the crease with Truth from the Athena Bad Habit palette. I'll also go back over them in a darker shade later. For my lid, I'm using the NYX Love You Mochi palette in the yellow tone, which is on the bottom, in the Electric Pastels. And I'm going in there on the bottom with that darker shade I mentioned. I'm going to add a quick cat eye to the top before adding some falsies. I have to have those wispy romantic lashes. Belle has those big doe eyes, so this is definitely a must. And then I do want to line the bottom with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil. I'm using just the dark brown shade. For my lips, I have the Tarte lipstick. I believe it's Surf's Up, and then I'm topping it with a plumper and a little sparkle. Onto the hair, you'll just need a straightener. We're going to add a little movement and shape to the bottom half of our hair, and we're going to twist it going down. Don't worry about anything perfect. You're not trying to make those perfect little ringlets. You just want shape and body, so use a good texture spray. For the top half, you're just going to comb through it with your fingers and pull it up with a couple of elastics. We're going to make a loose bun. Because my hair is so short, I am going to add texture to help it have body up there. Otherwise, it would look like the smallest top knot known to man. So I'm using just a couple bobby pins to set that in place. And of course, I have to add a very iconic touch with rose hair clip. I mean, you can also put this next to your bun or add a different type of rose accessory, but this one was perfect for me.